Hey guys, here's something else kind of makes you think about it, but you can roll pretty much everything that happens in your life, good and bad. You can pretty much roll it down and uncomplicate it to basically two things. One is if you have the attitude of you're never going to quit, never quit, then your life is going to be completely different than if you would take the side of giving up. So think about that. Don't give up. I don't care what it is. Do not give up on it. Always keep it in your head to not quit. Because if you think about it, there's some really good things that's happened in your life. And it happened in your life because you did not quit. Okay? That's my 2 cents. If you get a chance, hit the like, hit the follow. Maybe even check out my bio. I'll give you a free ebook on how to get rich. Yeah, there's a science to it if you really think about it. Later. Bye.